Okay, in this video, I'm answering a question. The question is, can you do milk and cereal, please? Which ones would be the best? Man, you know I got you covered, especially with cereal. Come on now, I love cereal. The thing is, if you look around right now, there's protein on every single box, it seems like, right? Everybody's got a protein cereal. You really need to look at what's in the cereal, and you need to know what your protein goals are, all right? How much protein you're trying to get. I suggest you try to get around 30 grams or so for breakfast. Some of these boxes are telling you, hey, this is a protein cereal, but the protein's not that much in there. So let me show you some of the things that I'm talking about, and I'll show you some of my favorite cereals as well that I like to use, especially to hit your protein goals. If you're all about hitting your protein goals, I got you covered. Let me know what you think. Let me know what some of your favorite cereals are as well. And hopefully that'll help somebody else out who's watching. But let me show you what I'm talking about here. Now, first up, let's talk about this right here. Cheerios. Okay, now look, Cheerios says they have a protein cereal. All right, so Cheerios is saying they have a protein cereal, but look at this. Only 8 grams of protein. Okay, so if you're looking for protein, this is not a very high protein cereal, even though it says protein on the box, but you have to look at a serving size. All right, so one serving, you're only going to get 8 grams of protein. That's not that much protein. So let me show you compared to just regular Cheerios. Check this out. So if you look at a box of regular Cheerios, one serving is 5 grams of protein in just regular Cheerios. Okay, and the thing about the regular Cheerios is it has less sugars. Let's check the sugars. So in this box right here, you're gonna have 12 sugars, but in this right here, you only have 2 sugars. All right, so you're still getting 5 grams of protein, but you're getting less sugars. Now let me show you, if you wanna kick this protein up a little bit, what milk to use. All right, so you can take some regular old Cheerios and make it high protein. Check this out. If you just wanna go the milk route, the milk that I like to use, that I highly recommend you use, is this right here. Fairlife. I use the fat-free milk. You don't have to get fat-free if you don't want to, but I use the fat-free milk. Now, 1 cup of this is 13 grams of protein. So that's going to kick that protein up a little bit. And if you side it with like cottage cheese or maybe a yogurt, you can really have you a high-protein breakfast, or throw in some eggs. You can really kick the protein up. As long as you're tracking, you'll know how much you're getting. But this is the milk that I use. I got asked, which milk do I use? I use Fairlife milk. But if you don't want to use this, another way to really kick that protein up and help those Cheerios taste better is use something like this for your milk. All right, Core Power, this has 42 grams of protein. If you use this for your milk and those Cheerios, come on now, you got you a lot of protein in a cereal. You do 1 serving of the Cheerios and have this as your milk. Man, 42 grams of protein, come on now, you can't beat that. So go with this. If you don't want to get the 42, you can always go with the 26. They also have a 26 vanilla flavor, goes great with those Cheerios. Or if you wanted to get the protein Cheerios, because the box says protein on it, you can add some more protein to it, okay? So this is a quick and easy way. Use this as your milk. Plus, the cool thing about these bottles is if you're going to work, take your bottle, take your 1 serving of the Cheerios and go to work and just have your cereal at work. Come on now. You got your protein, and it's super simple, all right? Everybody's got something. Quest also has one. Look at that, 45 grams of protein. I'm telling you, cheat code is to use this as your milk. Now, you don't have to use the whole bottle if you don't want to. What you can do is you can use half of this for your cereal and then just sip on the rest throughout the morning. You know you're gonna get your 45 grams of protein, okay? So go find you whatever brand that you want. Quest has them, Core Power has them, Premier Protein has them. Everybody has one. You can also go with something like this as your milk. These are great as well. I've been having these a lot, 30 grams of protein in 1 bottle. So if you're into cereal, use this as your milk. It's a cheat code. Plus, like I said, you can drink this throughout the morning. Makes it so simple, and you know how much protein you're getting, okay? So if you add this to the Cheerios, you're getting your 35 grams of protein in a bowl of cereal. Come on now, you can't beat that, all right? So let's check out some more cereals real quick. Okay, now if you're looking for a cereal that just has a lot of protein in it, that you can use that you can just use regular milk with, you don't have to worry about using a protein shake. What you can do is go get you some Premier Protein cereal. This is the chocolate flavor. Now, 1 serving of this is gonna have 20 grams of protein. You mix that 1 cup of milk with it, you got over 30 grams of protein right there with the quickness, okay? Now, if you don't like chocolate, they also have this one right here. This one's really good as well. I've had this one before. I keep this one in stock because it's an easy way to get you some high protein cereal. What I like to do as well is take this, mix in some frozen fruit, and man, it tastes great. Try that out, okay? Try a bowl of this with 1 cup of this, and mix in some frozen fruit or fresh fruit. If you have fresh fruit, that's fine, but mix in some frozen fruit. Man, it's real refreshing. It's a great way to start your day. You're getting your protein in, you're getting your fruit, so you're adding some extra fiber as well. If you put some berries in there, like frozen berries, that's going to add some extra fiber into it as well. Okay, now, so this one is 180 calories. Okay, so you're going to get a little bit more calories in this compared to, I think the Cheerios is around 140. but you're getting more protein in as well. All right, so with this right here, you don't have to worry about your protein shake. You can just use regular milk. And I mean, if you really want to kick it up, you can use the protein shake along with this, then you're getting protein on protein. But if you don't want to go that route, just having this with the berries, and you're gonna, like I said, you're gonna get your fiber. It's gonna be a great way to start your day. This is one of my favorites right here because one serving is 20 grams of protein. I mean, you can't beat that. Let's look at another one real quick. Now, if you're looking to go the higher protein route, Ghost has one that I can say tastes great. I have this one all the time. I eat this one dry as well. You don't even need milk. Now, this one tastes great. 17 grams of protein, one serving of 17 grams of protein. If you're trying to get your protein in, use this with 1 cup of that regular milk. And man, come on now, you're on your way. All right, it's an easy way to get protein in the morning. Ghost is a great option. I've had it, tried out this right here, Lucky Charms. Man, this is one of my favorite ones. Okay, so try this one out. Let me know if you get down with Ghost. Ghost is really good, but there's another one. But let me show you another one real quick too. Now, if you need one that's just a great snack, now this isn't super high protein, but it's got enough protein. But man, it just tastes great. Magic Spoon. All right, if you've been on the fence, if you've ever tried Magic Spoon, you let me know in the comments. This tastes like Fruit Loops. That's what I can compare it to. But you know, old school Fruit Loops, back in the days when we were young, we see Fruit Loops. Hopefully you did, because Fruit Loops are great. That's what this tastes like. This flavor right here, this fruity flavor, tastes like Fruit Loops. All right, if you mix this with that milk, or you can mix it with the protein shake, man, come on now, it tastes great. Tell you what, you mix something like this with something like that, thank you later. I mean, it's so good. But it just matters how much protein you need to get. That's on you. Make sure you know how much protein you're trying to get each day. Make sure you're tracking everything with like a fitness app like MyFitnessPal, and then you know how much protein you're getting. Try to get you around 30 grams of protein for breakfast. You can do this with a cereal. If you add the cereal, and then on the side, you're gonna add, like I said, you can add eggs on the side. You can add some yogurt. A lot of yogurts have about 20 grams of protein just in those little cups, like Okios yogurt or a ratio yogurt. You can add that on the side, have cereal and a yogurt, and you have like 40 grams of protein right there. All right, so just make it as easy. You can have a side of cottage cheese. I eat cottage cheese almost every single morning. Half a cup is going to get you around 15 grams of protein or so. It's just an easy way to get your protein. However much protein you need for the day, start the day off right. Start the day off and try to get as much protein as you can in the morning, so that in the evening, you're not like, man, I'm short on my protein. What am I gonna do? And you're trying to stuff yourself full of protein before it's time to go to bed. You know, we don't wanna be like that. If you start the day off right, you're gonna stay ready. If you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. So let's hit these protein goals. Let me know what some of your favorite cereals are. And let me know if this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments, and I'll keep making these videos for you. And hopefully this video answered your question. These are some of the cereals that I like to use. I like to get my protein in, keep my calories under control, and it tastes good, man. Come on now. I'm gonna talk to y'all next time. Let's go.